How to turn on double tap to wake feature on your Android device. What's up everybody? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can easily turn on the double tap to wake option on your Samsung device. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the feature I'm talking about is when you double tap on your screen, you can turn it off, and when you double tap on it, you can wake up your screen. So I'm just going to double tap on my screen right now, and as you can see, my screen has completely been turned off. And if you want to turn it on, you can just double tap on it, and your screen will be awake. So in order to turn on this feature, you have to head over to your settings, and once you get to your settings, scroll down until you see this advanced features, tap on it, and then once you do that, you just have to tap on motion and gestures. Then you will see this option right here, double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. So if both of these are turned off on your device, just make sure to turn both of them on. And when you double tap on your home screen, you are able to turn it off like this. And when you double tap when your screen is off, you can turn it on like this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.